This is the Usability Lab presentation for Professor Barbara Bernal's User-Centered Design class by Brandon McGrain. The usability goals. The overall goal was to examine the usability of Microsoft Word 2013's list, in particular, the intuitiveness of the interfaces, ease of use, efficiency of list creation, and how error tolerance is handled. We will be looking at the action bar at the top of the screen, which contains bulleted lists, numbered lists, and specific numbered lists. We will also be looking at the right-click shortcut menu, which provides several options to the user. Scenario task. You are a college senior who is considering getting an internship during your current semester. In order to make the most informed decision about the viability of this decision, you decide to look at your schedule and your desired jobs. You feel that it might be best to jot down your ideas on a word processor program and decide to use Microsoft's products since you are using a Windows PC. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Mouse over some of the items without clicking on anything. Next, you decide that it would be a good idea to list your current class load and the potential jobs that you want to apply for after graduation. This might help in the decision-making process. Lastly, now that you have your list of classes and list of desired jobs, you feel that a bit of organization is in order. It also might help to add in some different values for your list to look at them from a different perspective. Metrics and baseline criteria. All of the user's facial expressions, including smiles, frowns, confused faces, and any other faces they might make. The timestamp of all events in the program, including all clicks, mouse travels, screens visited, and anything else. How long it takes for the user to create a numbered list. How long it takes for the user to create a bulleted list. How long it takes for the user to reorder the second list. How many times the user opens the right-click shortcut menus. How many times this menu is used to get the user's desired response. And how many times the user used the action bar at the top of the screen. Findings and recommendations. Judging from the results of the data collected, I assume that most people that use Microsoft Word frequently, with a tendency to use lists in their documents, feel they have a better understanding of the right-click menus than the functionality available to them. Both users rated the ease of use with the lists highly, yet the amount of proper usage they received from them was substantially low. It is more difficult to make a numbered list with sublistings than it is to make a bulleted list based on the times of both users. Both users showed visible signs of aggravation when the shortcuts did not perform to their desired standards. Due to the large amount of idle time spent on different menus, action bars, and right-click menus, it would be advantageous to add in timer-based help pop-ups. If a user takes too long looking for the desired task on a menu and spends time with the cursor hovering over the menu item, they might not be sure what the menu item does. It might be beneficial to the users to have easy access to a demo site for a better understanding of the functionalities that are available to the user of Microsoft Word products. This concludes my Usability Lab presentation. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you find this helpful.